That sucks. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what is going on? Hopefully all you guys are doing amazingly great. As you can tell, yeah, that's coming. I was gonna ride, but I have a scenario, a situation. Of course, this only happens to me. There's always something extreme that happens, so it kind of sucks, but I'll show you guys in a bit. So I guess you won't be seeing any of my moto vlogs. It'll just be me vlogging. I can't ride. And I'll show you in a minute the reason why I can't ride. Other than this damn weather, that's all it's been doing. It's just raining. So I'm just headed home now. I'll turn the camera around so you guys can see what has been happening in my world. Because, you know it is. My life is never boring. So here you go, as promised. Here's my situation. Garage door gave in, so it's broken. Won't go up or down, so I have to come in through the main entrance. Okay, so now that we're in the garage, I want to go ahead and explain what the heck happened. The rail came off originally from up there, from this side. So I tried to force it down, but it wouldn't go any further, but it was tilted. It's tilted this way currently, and it was tilted before like this when it happened to me. So apparently they came by and tried to fix this. But unfortunately, it looks like it just, I don't know what happened. They didn't mention exactly what happened, but yeah, there's a lot going on with this garage door. But of course, let me give you a quick explanation of what happened. My roommate left for the day. Her son left for the day. I was the last one in the house. And of course, I went to go close the door and the garage door would not close. And then it fell off the rails, of course, on my watch, which made me late for work. And this is the current situation, hence why this garage door will not budge up or down, not even manually. So we have to keep everything outside that we're gonna utilize. Unfortunately, Luna is under her cover and she will not be able to be moved for however long this is gonna take to get fixed. So that is my current situation. I do apologize, my Salsa Moto family. I know I owe you guys a moto vlog, but yeah, unfortunately, if someone out there wants to let me borrow their bike, a Grom, I don't care. Heck, I'll even take a bicycle at this point. I'll pedal my ass to do a vlog. I'll be winded as all hell, but it'll be a vlog. So it'll be a bicycle vlog. Would that still be considered a bike vlog? That is the question. Yep, that is my current situation. So, that sucks. And plus, rain is coming, of course. I could have gotten a little bit of a ride in at least, but it's unfortunate that this happened. And this, of course, this happened to me. Yep, I guess I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.